Section 1. Introduction. The trust-first approach to phone number intelligence. People often need to uncover details behind an unknown phone number. Today, on October 15, 2025, digital tools for this task are more powerful and accessible than ever. You might be verifying a business contact, identifying a persistent caller, or protecting yourself from a potential scam. We use a trust-first OSINT approach. Prioritize accuracy, protect personal privacy, and always operate within the law. Every step should be deliberate and ethical. Question the information you find and your reasons for searching. Protecting yourself or family is valid. If your intention is invasive or harmful, stop immediately. Section 2. The foundation. Gathering your initial information. Begin by recording the phone number precisely. Country code, area code, formatting. Capture the exact date and time of the call or message. Gather all associated materials, texts, voicemails, attachments. Save them completely and securely. Do not edit screenshots or audio. Preserve originals and make backups. Create a case folder and a simple log. This inventory prevents missed leads and supports chain of custody. Skipping this stage leads to confusion and wasted time. A structured start builds patience, thoroughness, and clarity. With your notes ready, start with a simple web search. Put the entire number in quotation marks to force exact matches. This dramatically narrows the results to relevant pages. Check where the number appears: a business contact page, a profile, or a public listing. Document sources, names, and links as leads. Search different formats and add relevant keywords to surface hidden matches. Results can be outdated or recycled. Consider each item a lead to verify later. Section 4. The second layer. Reverse phone lookup services. Use trusted services for free basics. Carrier, line type, and area region. VoIP lines are easier to acquire and spoof, often used for telemarketing or scams. Avoid expensive, unreliable reports or data sourced from illegal breaches. User reports can confirm spam patterns. Dozens of matching complaints increase confidence. Check several reputable sites. Consistency across sources boosts reliability. Record each result in source. Free reputable data is usually enough to move forward. In our hyper-connected world, social platforms hold vast public information. Enter the number directly in each platform's search box. A number can lead to a profile if recovery settings expose it. Examine public fields only. Cross-check the name and location with earlier findings. Review public posts and photos for context. Many small businesses list personal mobiles. A business page can directly tie number to owner. Do not contact or trick the person. Only observe information already public. Save screenshots and direct links. Treat social matches as leads to verify. If the number appears tied to a business, pivot to professional directories. Look for public listings that show phone, address, hours, and owner names. Search the number in map apps. Confirm there's a real storefront and matching signage. Compare the investigated number to the company's official contact numbers. Department lines explain context, e.g., billing or support calling. Search corporate registries. Public records are legal and highly reliable. Tie the number to a legitimate entity with layered, verifiable evidence. A single data point is a clue, never a conclusion. Build confidence with 2, ideally 3, independent sources that align. Verify a reverse lookup name by searching the name with the number and location. Conflicts are red flags. Investigate reassignment, outdated records, or errors. Favor high-quality sources. Official sites and verified profiles outrank anonymous comments. Note confidence levels. When strong sources agree, you can close with high confidence. Your work must be limited to public information. Use search engines, public social profiles, government websites, and business directories. Accessing locked accounts, hacking, or viewing private messages is a crime, not OSINT. Know your local laws. A phone number can be protected personal data. Store securely, Use narrowly and avoid publishing personal details. Seek consent for non-threatening inquiries. Do not harass, intimidate, or stalk. If serious crime is indicated, report it and support with a well-documented log. Review your entire log: initial data, search results, reverse lookups, social, and business records. Ask if a clear, consistent picture emerges across sources. If it's a scam, block the number and report to your carrier and relevant agencies. Reporting helps protect others. A positive outcome of ethical OSINT. If results are inconclusive or legally gray, stop. Avoid shady paid services. For harassment or major loss, contact law enforcement or a licensed investigator. Trust. First OSINT is powerful, safe, and ethical when you prepare, layer, verify, and respect the law. Always keep a meticulous record of your findings and be ready to stop when the trail runs cold. If your search points to a private, non-threatening individual, respect their privacy. Use open-source intelligence to protect yourself and make informed decisions. Be a responsible digital citizen in a complex world. Trust first, public only, verify with multiple sources, report harm, respect privacy. If this helped, consider subscribing for more practical, ethical OSINT guides. Stay safe.